Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Kerri. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet an easy edging around a baby blanket, just like this baby blanket except for a boy. I've got my baby blanket. I'll be using the blue wool for around the edge and a crochet hook that suits the ply of wool I'm using. I've got my darning needle to weave in the ends and I've got my scissors. Now we can start anywhere we like on the blanket. I'll just start in here. So I'll join my wool and work one chain. Now I'm going to work a single crochet in the same place as my chain. So I insert my hook, pick up a loop and pull it through, put my yarn around and take it through both loops. Now I'm going to do a single crochet into each stitch up to the corner. So insert my hook into the next stitch, bring up a loop, yarn around and through both of the loops. So I'll work a single crochet up to the corner, this is a very easy border. Now I'm up to the corner. Into the corner loop I'll work 3 single crochet. And then I'll just continue along the top working 1 single crochet into each stitch, and into each of my corners I'll work 3 single crochet. So I'll continue around working a single crochet into each stitch and 3 single crochet into my corner loop, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. At the end of the row we join with a slip stitch in the chain. So we insert our hook into the chain and bring the loop through the stitch and then through our other loop. For row 2 we start with 1 chain and then we work 1 single crochet in the same place as the chain, and then we work a single crochet into each stitch up to the corner. Now into our corner stitch we work 2 single crochet. And then we continue along the top working 1 single crochet into each stitch to the next corner and work 2 single crochet into the corner stitch. So we'll work 1 single crochet into each stitch except for our corner stitch where we'll work 2 single crochet. So I'll continue around the row and I'll meet you at the end. At the end of the row we join with a slip stitch in the chain. For row 3 we start with 1 chain and work a single crochet in the same place as the chain, and then work 3 chain. We miss the next stitch and work a single crochet in the following stitch, and then we're going to repeat that all the way around. 3 chain, miss the next stitch and work a single crochet in the following stitch, then 3 chain, miss the next stitch and work a single crochet in the following stitch. So we're going to repeat that all the way around. 3 chain, miss the next stitch and work a single crochet in the following stitch. So I'll work around this row and I'll be back. At the end of the row we work our 3 chain and then slip stitch into our first single crochet. And fasten off. And that's the edging done. I'll just weave in my end and I'll be back to show you the finished blanket. And here's a finished baby blanket. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. I'm also on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The details are in the description below, along with the details of my website. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.